A quick one, guys. So specifically today we're going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So this feature is going to be disabled by default, and if you want to make your iPhone to make a phone call over the Wi-Fi, then you need to make sure you enable this feature. Now, to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, just need to scroll down gently until you get to phone and tap on phone. So click on this. Now scroll down under calls and tap Wi-Fi calling. Once you tap Wi-Fi calling, you should see Wi-Fi calling. Under Wi-Fi calling, there is a feature called Wi-Fi calling on this phone. Make and receive phone calls via Wi-Fi with your network, that's MTN account in this case. Review your network provider's emergency calling information to understand the availability of emergency calling over Wi-Fi. You want to take note that not all devices support over Wi-Fi calling. If your network provider support Wi-Fi calling on your network, then you'll be able to use Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone when you enable Wi-Fi calling on this phone. So to enable Wi-Fi calling on this phone, all you need to do is toggle on this feature. There you go. You should see a port that says enable Wi-Fi calling. Call performance and text messages may be affected. When you join the network, information about the country where the network connection is made may be sent to your provider for short code call. The town or city may be sent for call routing purposes. You can change this in setting, then tap on the enable button to enable Wi-Fi calling on this phone. So once that is enabled, you should see the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone enabled. So this is how you can easily turn on this feature on your iPhone to enable Wi-Fi callings on your iPhone. So if you find this really interesting, if you want to smash the button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.